Hello, and thank you for visiting Corestripper.com. This is going to be a demonstration video of our Corestripper. We have 5 different models. We have a CS-18 that'll cut up to an 18-inch long core, a CS-32 that'll cut up to a 32-inch long core, CS-42 that'll cut up to a 42-inch long core, CS-54, which this model is, will cut up to a 54-inch long core, and our largest one is the CS-66, cut up to a 66-inch long core. I want to point out a couple of components. This is our main control panel. This has our disconnect on and our master stop reset and our master start. Our hydraulic power unit is over here. It's a 5 horsepower in this particular model. It's going to come empty. You want to fill it with about 10 gallons of AW46 hydraulic oil, about 2 inches from the top, leaving some room for expansion. The motors are all tri-voltage, 208, 230, or 460. Let us know what you have. We'll set it up prior to shipping it to you so it's ready to go when you get it. You'll hook your 3-phase power into it, you put your oil in it, and you're pretty much ready to go. Come over here to our control push buttons for the operator. You have a right hand push button, a left hand push button. We have an E-stop. E-stop pushes in, rotate it, pops out. We have a blade home light, so when the blade is in the home position, up position, you'll get that light lit. We also have a warning buzzer. Warning buzzer is going to sound for 2 seconds. So as long as your E-stop's out, you'll come to your control panel, and you'll put your disconnect to the on position. Once it's in the on position, hit your master stop reset. That'll reset the PLC. Hit your master start. After 2 seconds, your hydraulic power unit will start. Come to the front of the machine, unlock your arbor, open your arbor door, slip your core on. Once your core is on, you can close the arbor door, close the arbor lock. At this point, you're going to hit your right palm button and your left palm button at the same time. You'll hear a horn for 2 seconds. After 2 seconds, the blade will make a stroke. 2 seconds, the blade comes down, cuts the material, and returns to the up position. Again, hold your buttons. After 2 seconds, your blade will start descending down, cut the material, and return to the up position. You'll get the blade home light when it's in the up position. If for some reason the arbor is not locked, it will not operate it. If the arbor door is open, it will not operate. If you lock the arbor without closing the door, it will not operate. So again, the arbor lock and the arbor in needs to be made in order to run it. Take your arbor door, bring it in, take your arbor lock it. When it's in the lock position, you can return to controls, hit your palm buttons at the same time, it'll come down, make a stroke, cut the material, and go back up. If you hit your palm buttons and you let go of 1 or 2 while it's moving, it will stop. It will not do anything until you hit your palm buttons at the same time again. It'll return to the up position. So again, if you're coming down and you let go of the palm buttons, it'll stop. When you push it again, it'll return to the up position. We have a couple of options on here. We have an optional blade carrier, and we have an optional blade. Your blade carrier, when it's time to swap your blade out, once that blade gets dull, that'll bolt in this area here behind the guard, and it'll extend out this way. When it extends out, you'll be able to slide your old blade out into the blade carrier, install your new blade in the blade carrier, and slide it in. That's detailed in the manual on how to change your blade out and also adjust your blade. That pretty much concludes our demonstration video of the Corestripper.com. Thank you very much.